वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। और आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ग्रेट ईस्टर्न के ऑनलाइन एग्जाम पैटर्न के बारे में, उनका सेक्शन कट ऑफ जो कि सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्या होता है पेपर का पैटर्न एंड जो भी उससे मतलब क्या लेवल होता है एग्जाम का, वो सब के बारे में बात करेंगे इस वीडियो में। एंड आई विल शेयर वन ऑफ माई सेलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स फ्रॉम आवर बैच एक्सपीरियंस। वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेगा इन द लास्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो, तो प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। और ये वीडियो पहले आने वाली थी क्योंकि बहुत बच्चों का एग्जाम हो चुका है एंड बहुत सारे बच्चे अभी लाइंड अप हैं 31 ऑफ मार्च के लिए, तो उनका एग्जाम अभी 31 ऑफ मार्च है, तो उनके लिए बेनिफिशियल होने वाला वीडियो। और भी फ्यूचर में भी जो भी बच्चे एग्जाम देंगे ग्रेट ईस्टर्न का, उनके लिए भी ये वीडियो काफी बेनिफिशियल होगा। Actually, this video was lined up earlier, but I was busy in my medicals and there were many more process of my company. So that's why this video is coming late. And apart from this video, there are many more video yet to come, like Anglo Eastern application form filling for August 2022, which step by step. And even IME has released their form for CET and registration has been started. So like I have to make a detailed video on that also. And even there are many points in browser which I have to explain again because they are very important. And there are many more videos yet to come, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any update from my side. And now coming back to the topic, which is Great Eastern online exam. So first of all, we will talk about the platform of the exam, which is VBox. This is the same platform on which I have given my semester 2 examination of IMU. And yeah, the best part of this exam of Great Eastern is like VBox will provide you the mail, and in that mail you will get your login ID and password, all the credentials, and even the link on which you have to click and you have to give the exam. And the best part is you will be given a link which will be valid till a date, and till that date you can give your exam at any time. This is the very best part. You can give that exam even in night and even in the day. So this means there will be no physical proctor, there will be only AI based proctor, means your camera will be open and your audio will be audible, like it will be recorded in at that end, means your camera and your audio will be recorded at that end. This is how the exam will be conducted. Now talking about the online exam pattern, there will be 2 steps for this exam. The very first will be your technical test. Technical test means the content of this paper will be your physics, chemistry, quantitative aptitude or mathematics, and then your English section, general knowledge or general awareness section, and then your reasoning section. These are the 6 sections of the first test, means technical test, and the timing will be 60 minutes and the question will be 60 questions, means 10 from each part. And there will be sectional cutoff for each subject, means there will be no sectional cutoff for general knowledge and psychometric test. Apart from this, 7 will be your cutoff for chemistry and 7 will be your cutoff for reasoning part. And apart from this, all the subjects have your 6 out of 10 will be your cutoff. Means it is very important to clear each subject sectional wise cutoff, and it is same like NDA. means अगर आप NDA एग्जाम दे रखे हो तो आपको पता होगा कि इंग्लिश का कट ऑफ होता है एंड लाइक GAT का भी कट ऑफ होता है एंड मैथमेटिक्स का भी कट ऑफ होता है, तो आपको सेक्शनल वाइज कट ऑफ क्लियर करना पड़ता है। आप ओवरऑल कितना लाते हो उससे उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है, आपको सेक्शनल वाइज कट ऑफ क्लियर करना पड़ता है। एंड सेम इज हियर इन ग्रेट ईस्टर्न ऑल्सो। आप ओवरऑल कितना लाते हो, कितना भी अच्छा लाओ, 60 आउट ऑफ मीन्स 58 आउट ऑफ 60 आप लेते हो, बट अगर आपका कट ऑफ क्लियर नहीं होता है एक सब्जेक्ट में, मींस अगर आपने 6 ला रखा है केमिस्ट्री में आउट ऑफ 10 एंड उसका कट ऑफ 7 है, तो आप फेल हो जाओगे एग्जाम में। तो सेम होता है अप्लाई सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पे, आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट पे कट ऑफ आपको पता चल गए होंगे, तो आपको वैसे उस हिसाब से आपको पेपर अटेम्प्ट करना है, सारे क्वेश्चन आपको अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। And the second part of the test will be your psychometric test, in which you will get 60 questions in just 30 minutes, and this will be your psychometric based questions, means all the questions will be your personal questions, and you will get the sample of these questions in the link in the description below. And just click on the link, you will get sample questions of the technical part also and the this psychometric part also. Just go and click on the link in the description. And yeah, this psychometric test, you don't need to prepare anything, just be mentally prepared and be fluent in reading, because this in this psychometric test the fluency in English, means reading skills, and again your speed matters. These 2 things only matters, and your mental stability, the very important thing, because this psychometric test result is AI based, and they are like seeing each and every answer what you are giving in that test, and please do not contradict your own answer in psychometric test. So yeah, be mentally prepared for this psychometric test. You'll get the sample questions in the link in the description below, so just go and click on that link. So yeah, I think that's enough information about online exam. And if you'll clear online exam in future, must join our batch to get prepared for interview, because it is the most crucial round in any sponsorship process. So yeah, you can join our batch by clicking on the WhatsApp group link in the description below. Just join that group. You'll get all the information about the batches and demo classes in that group only. So yeah, just go and click on that link. And now I would like to welcome Mayank on my channel to share some tips related to online exams of Great Eastern. He is the student, he is one of the selected student of our batch from batch 1, and he was selected in February batch and currently pursuing Diploma in Nautical Science from Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies. So right now in this video he will share only experience about the exams, but later definitely we will try to make a detailed video on the interview experience of Great Eastern. So yeah, please welcome him.
Hello everyone, I am Kumar Mayank from Darbhanga, Bihar. I am 20 years old. Currently I am pursuing my Diploma in Nautical Science course from Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies. Now talking about the test syllabus of Great Eastern, they ask 60 questions which include basic PCM, English, general knowledge and general aptitude. And remember one thing, that every subject have separate cutoff, so try to solve most of the questions so you can easily clear the cutoff mark of Great Eastern and you will shortlisted for interview. And talking about my experience of Great Eastern test, it was moderate. The basic questions were asked from PCM of class 12th 11th, so revise all the basic concepts of 11th and 12th. And in English, try to revise antonyms and synonyms, so it will definitely going to help you a lot in exams. And for interview, I suggest you all to join budding mariner team, because I did the same and the guidance which I got from them really helped a lot in interview. So join the budding mariner, it will definitely going to work for your interview. And at last, I thank Sahnawaz sir for giving me this opportunity to come on his channel, and I all the best to all of you for your exam, and definitely you people are going to do it.
Thank you, Mayank, for sharing your experience about budding mariners and also sharing some tips related to online exams of Great Eastern. Definitely we'll make a video on your experience of interview of different companies and how you got selected, how you prepared yourself. And if you guys want to get connected to Mayank for more information, for more tips related to different companies, I will put his Instagram handle link in the description below. Just go and follow him and you can ask any doubt related to any companies to him. And if you guys found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt related to any part of this video, just put it in the comment section, we'll solve it there only. And also please suggest me some more topic to make video on. I have already lined up so many video you can see on the screen, and apart from these topics, please suggest some more topics to make video on. So please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be updated from my side. So thank you for watching this video.